Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off the WhatsApp message preview in the notification bar. So if you're wondering how, you can basically follow up these steps for that and you should be able to do so. So you can start by opening up the WhatsApp application itself. Tap on WhatsApp in order to open it up. And once you open up your WhatsApp, you can look out for the settings. Go ahead and tap on the three dot in the top right corner. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of settings from the given menu and open it up. After you open it up, you just need to look out for the option of notifications here. You can scroll down and select the option of notifications and tap on it. And after you tap on notifications, you need to look out for the option of show preview. So again, look out for that option of show preview. Usually you can find it up here. And if you find that option right here of showing the message preview or pop-up notification or anything, you just need to turn that option off. You can look out for the toggle option right beside it and turn it off. That will turn off the WhatsApp message preview in the notification bar. If not, that what we can do is we can access it through our settings as well. Go to the settings app of your Android device and you can look out for the option of notifications and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can look out for the app notifications. You can look out for this more option and from here look out for the applications WhatsApp. So if you find WhatsApp, you can tap on it, and after you tap on it, you can turn on the notification. So you can look out for the option of toggle option right beside it. You can turn it off, and you can look out for other options such as in-app notifications, etc. You can tap on it and turn it off from here as well. If not, you can look out for notification categories and tap on it, and there as well you can look out for the message preview and everything, and you can turn it off, and that is also possible. And you can, if you want to turn it from your lock screen, you can look out for notification lock screen and tap on it and basically turn off the notification of WhatsApp for this. You can look out for the toggle option for that, and that will just allow both the lock screen and the pop-up to not appear on your screen, and that is it. So therefore you may follow up the steps for that, everybody, and that is it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.